To create an IRS Gov account, start by going to the official IRS website at irs.gov. Click on the Get Transcript Online or Get an Identity Protection PIN option. Then select Create Account. You will be redirected to a new page where you need to enter your email address to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to you by the IRS. Once your email address is verified, you will be asked to provide personal and tax information, including your name, date of birth, social security number, and address. You will also need to answer security questions to help verify your identity. Choose questions and answers that you will remember, as you will need them to access your account in the future. After answering the security questions, you will be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Your username should be easy to remember, but not easily guessable by others. Once you have created your username and password, review and agree to the terms of service. You will then be asked to authenticate your identity through a two-factor authentication process. This may involve receiving a verification code via email or phone, which you will need to enter to complete the registration process. After authenticating your identity, you will have successfully created your IRS Gov account. You can now use your account to access various IRS services, including viewing your tax account information, making payments, and requesting transcripts. Remember to keep your account information secure and up to date, and always log out of your account when finished using it. By following these steps, you can easily create an IRS Gov account and take advantage of the many online services offered by the IRS.